Got my first job at TMG. Let's see what we're going to be installing today.
So Brian, what are we doing today?
Oh man, get a lip, they said. It'll be so cool. Your car needs a lip. Well, look what I did to my first lip. Oh. Nice brick in the road. Couldn't dodge that. Super fun. And then another one was a snow tire chain that came off in the road that got me on a different day.
Just destroyed the carbon fiber.
Yeah, brutal.
Yeah, this one over here is it's like really coming apart, man.
Yikes. Looks even worse up here.
So what are we going to do then?
I don't know. We do have, well, I do know. We have some fun surprises coming, so it'll take care of this and more. So stay tuned.
Alright Brian, what's next? We got the lip off.
Yeah, thank you. It looks a lot better already, but I think we're just going to rock no lip for now until those other parts come in. If any of you think you might know what's coming, drop it in the comments below. We'll see if you're right. Otherwise, let's get this other lip in the trash.
Let's do it! Alright, hook that B in there. Peace.
Ryan, why am I in the back of your Forester?
We're looking for a noise.
What kind of noise?
It makes a rattle.
Oh, no.
Did you hear it?
I did. Where is it? I'm gonna find you. It's that Subaru rattle, man.
Yeah.
Oh, is that like a license plate?
No.
Oh. Thanks, man.
Wait, is it the license plate?
It kind of sounds like it's like metallic or
Try like pushing on the window or something. That noise.
That right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds like it's...
Is it on the outside?
I think so. Cause yeah, I'm like not hearing or feeling anything.
Alright, I want to feel like an idiot if it's a license plate frame. We're gonna go back and we're gonna take that off and see if that's what it is.
All right. All right, let's do the test.
Hit it.
Oh shit! We found the rattle.
Fucking license plate frame.
All right, let's see if this is it. The license plate. This is.
Oh my god, this noise has been driving me crazy for days. I never even thought to like check the license plate frame.
Oh, I bet. Now guys, this is a 3 out of 5 wrench difficulty level, so make sure you have the right tools and really a shop nearby that can help.
Fucking Jackson Racing. Get out of here.
Oh, yeah, if anyone wants this Jackson Racing license plate frame, you can pick it up from the shop, $5. First come, first serve.
You gotta line that screw up real good. You know what we need is like a mod garage plate on here.
I like it.
Let's do one of those.
I think we know a place that can fix that for you.
Yeah?
It might even be right there.
Alright, after this we're gonna go drive it again, see if it goes away.
Alright. Fingers crossed.
Alright, let's get back in.
Oh boy. Bye, buddy.
Alright, we're backing up. We're gonna go drive around, see if that noise went away.
Pretty confident that's what it was.
Oh man, there's no sound so far. Did we just solve the Subaru rattle?
Alright, here comes the speed bump.
Oh god.
Like
you
being
solved
on the back of the bus, huh?
It's pretty bumpy.
Oh man, that just made this car ride like so much better. That thing was so annoying.
Oh, I bet.
See how the suspension does.
Oh, Jesus.
It's pretty good.
Take the wheel.
Brian, you're a genius. I'm gonna hire you now.
Oh, yes. Best Friday ever.
Another speed bump.
Oh, Jesus. This guy hates me.
Alright, that's problem 2 of the day fixed, I guess.
We're moving mountains.
I don't really know what we're gonna do next, though. What are you thinking?
I don't know, man. It's a good day's work. Let's go back to HQ.
Yeah.
Alright, today we're going to figure out what's going on with Paul's car here. It makes a weird noise too. Let me see, let's start it up. Whoa! What the hell is that?
Single bass flywheel.
Let's go. What year is this thing again?
2015.
We don't really see these cars very often. Chevy Sonic. Alright, so we're listening for a noise. Oh my god. Dude, stick this out the window. Just don't drop it. I think it might be the CV axle. Oh, let's go up here and just like do some circles like slowly. Let's see if it makes noise when you're turning. Do you hear the click, 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 click?
Yeah, I hear it.
Hold on, stop. And it goes away. So just go slowly like. That sounds terrible. What are you doing?
It's so much colder out here than out there.
It actually is really nipply out here. I'm not a fan of this. What's this guy doing? Let's see how this sounds when he drives by. Ew. Okay, so you're going to turn it hard left.
Okay.
Right? Turn the wheel all the way left. And then give it some acceleration while turning. Yeah, man, so that clicking noise is typically what you hear when the CV axle starts going bad. I think something ain't right down there. And then your clutch is still weird too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This guy, he forgot his jacket. Forgot your jacket.
Oh man.
And your water.
Oh, water will help the clicking noise, right?
You gotta stay warm and hydrated, bro.
Thanks, Mark Garage. See you next time.
Later.